Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Oh. Today guys, I have a video all about Poundland. I do love Poundland, and I love Poundland even more when they have a bit of a sale. So some of these items are full price, some of them are sale items, but I'll show you those as we go along. Not too many different products, so this should be a quick little efficient video, which is usually not normal for me, but we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing I purchased was the bag. Love this little bag. It's got gummy bears all over the front. It is the Pep & Co bags. Love these bags because they're made from 80% recycled material, care for the planet, they're reusable, and they're better for our future. So some of my old Poundland bags were getting super tatty, and they were coming apart. However, they did pay for themselves because I have used them so many times for videos. I always take where I can take my bags shopping with me, so they definitely pay for themselves. So first item was this beautiful gummy bear bag. We're going to move that off to the side. Now I've showed you my lovely little bag. We're going to get started with the video. The first thing I purchased are these Sweet Heaven mint crumbles. They're traditional, refreshingly cool, crumbly peppermint sweets. There's no artificial colours in these, and you're getting a huge bag of 260 grams for £1. These are so delicious. They literally melt in your mouth. They're super refreshing, and sometimes after I've eaten, especially if I've eaten something it's quite flavorful. I usually like to eat a little crumble mint. It cleans my palate and it makes my mouth feel a lot fresher. These are delicious. If you haven't tried them, please do. And then let me know what you guys think of them. I bought, let me show you guys. I do love Chewits, but I've never had these Chewits wands. They're fruity flavors. It says Unleash the Adventure. I bought 3 packs of these. These are treats I like to keep around for when my nephews and nieces come because they love them. So I like to have some. So I bought 3 packets. They were only £1 for 250 grams, which I think is pretty awesome, and they last to December 2023. These won't last at all in my house, but I bought 3 packs of those because I do like to have some little treats hanging around my house. Guys, honestly, and let me show you these. I'm super excited. I'll show you the sale stuff at the end. So let me show you a few things that I purchased that weren't on sale, and then I'll show you some of the other things that I purchased. So I thought these would be fun. I purchased a number of these, and I'm actually thinking they did have a couple of different let me zoom in so you guys can see maybe a little better. Well, it's not letting me zoom in, but these are little diggets. So they had a couple of other different types, and I'm definitely going to go back and purchase some more. I'm going to purchase the whole set because I want the whole set, but I bought 3. I thought these would be good little treat items for the boys and my nieces and nephews when they come, if they want to do a little activity with me. It is age 5 and above. The first one that I got is a deep sea surprise excuse me, a deep sea surprise dig kit, and I love the fact that it shows you what you can collect inside. There's a little gold shell, there is a starfish, a fish, a pebble. You get like a little golden almost like pearl clam. Is that what it's called? A little unicorn horn. So I think that's pretty amazing. I would have liked to get a shark tooth or something a bit more related to the actual activity, but that's totally fine. So in the contents, you get 1 shark block, you get a surprise deep sea gem, 1 mini hammer, 1 mini chisel, and a mini paintbrush. So I got the little deep sea surprise kit. I think that's awesome. And guys, these are really great little additions that you can put into a birthday present or an Easter gift, just to kind of make the Easter gift a little bit different. I got an RIP zombie dig kit. These two feel a lot heavier than the shark. The deep sea one seems a little lighter. These are quite substantial. You can feel the weight difference. This is a little zombie dig kit and a little gold bar dig kit. The back of here tells you get exactly the same contents. Apart from the zombie kit, you get a gravestone block, and inside the gold bar digit, you get a gold dig block. I do like the fact that on the here you get to see what you can actually collect. And you don't with these, but still it's pretty still pretty fun. So I bought 3 of those. I'm definitely though going to go back and get some more of those. Oh, I bought 4 because I bought another gold bar digit. Let's try and move these around so we have a little bit of space. So we have our digits, so they were a lot of fun. There was one other, I believe, full price item in here. Oh yeah. So I purchased this makeup all about the shadow. This is an eyeshadow quad. I purchased this quite a while ago from Poundland. This little item was only £1 as well, and I think that's good for a shade of 4. I picked it up because I really liked the shimmer. However, I love this eyeshadow. That's why I picked up another one. I wanted to have a spur, and I was lucky because they only had one left. Love putting this all over the lower part of my eye, blending in this in the crease of my eye. This little color does the top, just where my brow arch is, and then I go over the dark with this gorgeous golden shimmer, and honestly, it makes the most beautiful, beautiful blend. And it makes my eyes sparkle and pop. So I'm super excited about having another one. And then guys, everything else I purchased was all sale. So, and I purchased multiple items of my last, I think I have 3 items. I have 3 products, but I have multiples of each item. So let me show you guys these. I bought a ton. I can't even lift them. Oh, they're all falling. I bought a ton of these. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And let me show you guys what these are. Move you off to the side. Okay, so I bought 5 of these Roarsome dinosaurs. It's a set of 3 sour apple bath fizzers. These can also be used as shower steamers. You can just pop them in the shower, they fizz and the scent comes out. So if you don't have a bath, no big deal. You can definitely still use it in the shower. I bought 5 of these because the original price on these was £1.25. You guys know not everything in Poundland is £1. And in fact, it can be exceptionally difficult to find things in Poundland that are £1 anymore. But these had increased from £1 previously. They went to 1.25. These were on sale today for 50p a box. I think that's not too bad for a set of 3 bath fizzers. I like the fact that they're sour apple scent. And I bought a whole pack of, I bought 5 packs. I bought 5 packs because I do intend to give some of these away. I want to put things into giveaways, and I just think that's maybe a fun idea. I know the boys will absolutely love those, so I'm going to give some away. Some I'm going to put into giveaways. So for £2.50 for a pack of 5, or for 5 packs, I think is pretty darn awesome. The next thing that I bought, and again, I bought multiples. I don't know if you guys have used this Jessica Wright beauty. If you don't know who Jessica Wright is, she used to be a character on Toy. I always kind of liked her. I mean, I always thought she was kind of okay, but she makes a lot of beauty products. I have tried this Jessica Wright gradual tan, so sorry, before, and I think it works phenomenally. Never have time to sit in the sun and get a tan. I think it's not very healthy to do that anyway, but I do love this. This is a white cream that develops into a beautiful light tan. This does say medium. It's more light than medium. I mean, this is not reflective of the colour, but I really, really love it. This was $1.25. I got it for 75p a tube. So I bought every single one of the gradual tans that they had. They only had 3. They had a ton of instant tan, but I could only get 3 of the gradual tans. If they had have had more, I definitely would have bought them, because I do love having a tan. Winter, summer, autumn, spring, I do like having a tan. I wouldn't have a tan every day, but I do like that. I do like having a little bit of a glow. It does actually just bump and pick up your mood. So I'm really, really happy about those. And the last items that I purchased, and again, I told you guys I bought multiples because the prices were just, they were too much of a bargain for me to just walk by. So the last items I bought were, I bought 4. I'm going to show you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm going to show you what one looks like. These are super cute. These are a disco bauble bath fizzer. I don't know why they're disco. It says 1, drop the fizzer into the bath to create a sweet smelling bath time. That's it. That's all this is. This is just a bath fizzer. I don't know why it says a disco bauble. Maybe it's because of what it looks like inside the pack, but I'm trying to see if there's an, I just wanted to see if there was an easy way to open it so that we could actually have a look at what the bath fizzer's like. So we're going to take the bath fizzer out. Okay, so the bath fizzer is quite cute. It is covered in almost like a purple. It does look like a disco ball, half of a disco ball. The bath bomb itself is only 50 grams. That's perfectly okay. It is, all of the bath fizzers are exactly the same, and they were down from £1.25 to 50p, which I think is pretty good. They do look a little Christmassy with the little hook or piece of ribbon to set it up, but I don't mind that. I still think these will be pretty good to put into, to pop into like an Easter basket, or pop in as an additional wee surprise in a birthday gift, or just a treat gift. But for 50p, I think they're pretty damn cute. And 50 grams, a 50 gram bath fizzer for 50p, given that it is fully branded LOL, surprise, I don't think that is a bad little bargain at all. Well, guys, this is my little Poundland haul. I am super stoked at everything that I got. I mean, realistically, if you count it up, I didn't actually spend a whole lot of money. There's £4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 50, 13, 50, 14, 15, 16. I probably spent about £15 in Poundland getting all of these items. To me, that seems like an absolute bargain. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section which item's your favourite. Let me know which is your least favourite. I think my favourites, I'm super excited about the Diggits. My bargain of the day is definitely the dinosaur bath fizzers. Set of 3 for 50p, I think is a total bargain, and I am fully prepped for the summer. So guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button. Every time you guys hit the like button, it really, really does help my channel. My channel is very small and I am trying to grow it. So if you can share the videos, that would be awesome. I would be super appreciative. Guys, I'm going to say, I hope you had a blast. I genuinely have a blast every time I find bargains and I can share them with you guys. I hope you go to Poundland and get some bargains. If you do, let me know in the comments section below what your biggest bargain from Poundland was. And if you guys want to be, if you guys are not yet subscribed and you're watching the video, I would appreciate so much if you could just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified of any videos, don't forget about the notification bell. And guys, again, leave any comments in the comments section below. I hope you have the most amazing day. I hope you all stay safe. I hope you all look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.